Hello there, my name is Trifonas Papadopoulos. As you see here, there is an Excel file with 4 different buttons on the top. These 4 buttons can help you deal better with an Excel file that has many rows and columns. The first button is named Freeze given columns and rows. Here on E1 you can set the number of columns, and on E2 you can set the number of rows. So if we suppose that we set columns to 3 and rows to 4, and we press this button, Freeze given columns and rows, we manage to deal better with this Excel because the first 4 columns are now frozen and the rows are also frozen accordingly. If you want now to unfreeze all columns, what you have to do is press unfreeze all columns, and everything is back to normal. So if we press and we go down, or we go right, if now we want to set columns to 4 instead, and we press again this button, then we have now 4 columns frozen. Let's see if it works. Yes, it does work. We set back to 3 columns and we press again this, and now columns frozen are the first 3 ones. Now if we go to sheet subcode, we can see the code for button freeze given columns and rows,